Hello, hello, hello. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Are you excited? Are you excited? Because I am. So if you can hear me, just put a plus my microphone, unless it is working. Okay. Can you see me also? Let me see. Okay, brilliant. Okay, good. Thanks, good. Okay, I can see some feedback, so they can hear me very nicely. Good evening, Ian from Brisbane. Great stuff. We got an international audience here. That's good. Okay, welcome again to the Global UniPay Payment System presentation, opportunity presentation. Okay, so but today, and then you have to stay till the end, guys. You have to stay until the end. I've got some interesting information I'm going to share with you, and you will be glad that you stayed. Okay, do you promise that you're gonna stay until the end? Okay, if you're going to stay until the end, just hit a plus. Good stuff. Brilliant. The Kargas. So I can see Dallas Watkins, Lincoln Bond. Okay, great. Super. Then we're in the right place, guys. Okay, so as usual, let's go to the next slide. As you can see me, you can hear me. My name is Marshall. For those of you who are new, if you are new, welcome again, and well done to turn up on this presentation. There's so many webinars are going around the world with our company. So I am grateful that you are here. And yes, let's get crack on. My name is Martial Niyonzima. I'm a member of the Ambassadors Council. This Ambassador Council is changed every year. So in October, they will change again. They will shuffle people around. So, and also a vice president in Average Partner Program. Master Profit Coach, business coach, or, I have a master's degree in computer science, an entrepreneur and a speaker. That's enough about myself. I would like to get to the nitty-gritty in a business presentation. Now, many of you probably have seen the usual business presentation, and I am hoping that the table is an up-to-date one, not like the previous last week. So hopefully, fingers crossed, the admin have managed to get their hands off on the new one. All right, let's go. So let's go to the next slide. First of all, I always like to cover the reason why GUP, okay? And don't get confused with UGPay Group, guys, because so many people think GUP is the same, which is Global UniPay, is the same as UGPay Group. It's two different company. It's two different company within the global portfolio, but they're two different company with its own what you call leaders who are leading it, etc. Okay, and I think very soon we hear Rita Ashin. She's a project manager for UGPay Group. So Global UniPay. Why Global UniPay? What is the need for Global UniPay? I didn't just put that it stands for Giddy Up Partners. Global UniPay. Right. So why the Global UniPay was created? Okay. The reason behind, because it's important that you understand it's not just another company that it's in our global portfolio. It has its role and it's here to solve some problem. Okay. And these are the problem that we, as a company, one of the partner company, the MLCI business branch, which is the average. These are the pains that they have been experiencing, and many network marketing companies are experiencing these issues as well. Okay. And what I'm going to share with you is going to be connected with this a little bit, or how we as Global UniPay, we can tap it into help to be a solution to them, also a solution bringer to them, as well as other businesses. Okay, so these are the freezing of funds. Many of you, probably the people who have been here for long, maybe 6 years or 5 years, not the situation where our CEO used to mention that some of our funds has been frozen by some third-party payment processor, etc., etc. This was due to we using a third party, and they can squeeze us however they like. They can freeze our money. They are making it easy for us to put the money in, but when it comes to take the money out, they were making very, very, very difficult. And there were a lot of small transactions on side of customers of our clients at the same time on the business side as well. And it was amounting to a lot of large fees. And imagine a customer purchase our product, our EIP product, and they put the money into that payment system. It will take 3 business days for the company, for average or API, to get their money into their bank account. And if it happened on a weekend, you have to wait a lot more. All right. There were a lot of chargebacks because some people, for whatever reason, they purchased EIP, then they felt that they can claim their money back and they cheated the company. We had a lot of this kind of stuff happening. Okay. And there are a lot of accounts, business accounts has been suspended at any time with no reason at all. So this was very, very big problem for a business to operate in this condition. And you cannot scale in this condition. So the solutions were, what if we create our own payment processor? And the company has been trying to do different ways, to try different channels to create, to do a white label, to buy a bank, and to do all sorts of that. They have been trying, but it was always coming to the same problem. A lot of regulations, a lot of hurdle to go to purchase a bank and things like that. The company definitely had the money to purchase a bank, but because of a lot of bureaucracy, etc., it was not possible. There was a lot of condition. So the idea was, as we are in the 21st century, to choose to create our own payment platform, payment processes, which also incorporate the new technology such as blockchain, etc. Okay. Now with this, we can control our own fund. We can store our own the asset. If you are a client, you can store your asset in there. You can store your crypto as is a hot wallet. It's not a cold wallet. It's a hot wallet. And then you can the fees, even if they're a lot of fees over time, they will reduce. They will reduce as we're gonna grow as a company. Fees will start to reduce, etc., etc. And the company can get access to its cash quickly. So if they want to reinvest, they want to put somewhere else, it's easy now because we don't have a third party that is holding the cash, holding the money. Chargebacks still exist because this is by regulatory. You have to give an opportunity for people to get their money back within a certain period of time if they wish to, right? It's still there, but it's less. It's less, and our company account cannot be suspended and cannot be frozen. But the most important is many payment processors out there, they did not offer like digital the protection or policies on the digital currencies or a digital item as well. So this was the reason why the Global UniPay came into existence. We were trying to solve a problem for the customers at the moment, or the clients of Overreach. But within this solution, there is a new opportunity now that we can offer to other network marketing companies that are having this issue, and there are many. And guys, at the end, you need to wait until the end. I'm gonna tell you some information, share with you some information that has been in preparation that it will excite you. It will really excite you. And I know many of you are really knowledgeable. You probably do other network marketing. You've been in other network marketing. You can relate to this pain. Many companies has been closing down because of these issues. Not just cover up and then be able to pay from their own pocket like our company has been doing for in the past. But some company actually has been going out of existence. I've been part of this company in the past and we lost our money, etc. And sometimes it was not the fault of the actual companies, it was the third party that froze their money and they cannot have access to it. Okay, so our solution, our global UniPay payment, is the solution to them, and it is going to be our job and our pride to go to share it with other businesses out there. All right, let's go to the next slide now that you understand. And again, it is very important, I keep repeating this every Thursday, for those of you who continue to come back every Thursday, you will appreciate later on what I'm going to share, because it's going to be easier for you in the future to tap into what I'm going to share with you. All right. Now, because we are a regulated company and Global UniPay is a regulated digital asset institution, and which is based in Switzerland, and Switzerland has been chosen for a reason. Okay. Switzerland is like the global hub for the banking system. Okay. It's the global hub for the banking system. So, and they have rigorous checks on customers, etc. Now, this comes with also some kind of a drawback, because they don't allow everybody to participate. But this is just for the start for us, okay? To tap into, if you want to enter into a system, if you want to participate in a club or like in these banks cartels, right? You have to enter in, you have to put your foot at the door first to get to see how they operate, and then you bring your own solution. And I can tell you, for those of you who have not been able to verify their accounts and accounts, but don't despair, because think of the bigger picture. This is the company in the global portfolio. If it grows, you will also benefit, you also take advantage of it, of the monetary wise, even if you're not using it. So don't despair, but the company is thinking of different solution to give you for those of you who are not, and at some point we will be linked to this at some point, right? And we have to go through the KYC, know you customers, and know you business. And it is a regulation that we did not put in place. It is regulation that have been put in place by the banking system. Okay, and this is to protect, to verify the identity, to protect the business also, so that we don't attract people try to launder the money through our payment system. So, always when you have a friend that said, you look, I want to get this money from this and clean it through the payment system, you need to tell them, no, our system is not a cleaning service company, right? It's not a money cleaning service company. This is a company that wants to be established and want to provide quality service to other businesses, right? Not just a cleaning money launder system. And this is also to protect our business, okay? But it's a pain for the people who can't go through it. So what is a KYC? A KYC is basically a simple check to verify the identity of any client that's going to use, whether it's a business or an individual who's going to use the global payments, the global UniPayment system. Okay, to prevent corruption, fraud, etc., etc. So when you see the KYC, you are asked for KYC or extra documentation, please provide them happily. If you don't have any issue, if you don't have anything you have to hide, you provide it. And the world that we are going in at the moment is a transparent world at its best. You can be private. If you want to be private, you can, but it's going to be limited to some of the stuff. This company, they have to be open, they have to be transparent in order to participate and in order to offer, to be established and offer a wider service to all our clients in the future. All right. I hope you understand this, the reason why for KYC and why KYC. Let's move to the next slide. Right. Now, what do you get as, what kind of operation you can do are available in the back office of Global UniPay to the clients, okay? Now, you have one of the most advanced blockchain-based platform Believe it or not, the global unit payment is based on a blockchain. The interface itself is not on a blockchain, but the processes that's happening in the background is their blockchain capability. You see, when you top up the money, you get some digital coin, some representation on a blockchain, and you can track it, and it's there forever. Now, when the good thing of the blockchain is that it's there forever. No one can erase it, no one can hide it, it's transparent. So the money you deposit, no one can say the money was never be deposited there, because you can track it and you can show it, all right? You will have a fiat currency system where you can do an instant income and outgoing transfer and currency exchange, fiat currency exchange, i.e. Euro to dollars or euro to Swiss franc, and there are going to be more currency that's going to be added. Everything is going to be gradually, slowly. And you can also have cryptocurrency. Within our platform, we have a crypto exchange, and kind of like a mini crypto exchange within our platform itself. And again, interact with the blockchain. You can buy and purchase the crypto asset that we have there. There are going to be more other crypto assets that's going to be added on there. And another interesting stuff for the people who want to combat the inflation, instead of having the money in your bank, you can purchase some precious metals and keep them in the vault on our payment processor. So this is going to be over-the-counter assets where you will be able to do that. This is another exciting tool what you can have within our platform. This alone, whether you're an individual, whether you're a business, you can have facility to all of this as well. Exciting, right? This is really interesting. If you look, tell me, maybe there are some platforms, but I have never seen many that have all these three capabilities within one system. Now, there could be some bugs at the moment. It's normal because we're just starting. You know, the company hasn't been around doing operation for long. This company, this global unit payment system, but it's going to get better. Okay, there's going to be some bugs, but it's going to get better and better and better. All right, let's move to the next slide, please. Right, now, what we just discussed is what do you get on a platform. Let's talk about the kind of services that you get, you know, that kind of ease of the service, the fact that you can operate, you can access it for 24/7, and it's not charged. It is not you don't pay a monthly fee to have access to the platform. It's a free back office. You don't have to pay for it, and you can have a bank acquiring, which means you can have and your own IBAN number in at the moment is Lithuania, but very soon you will be able to have Liechtenstein, that anyone around the world will be able to have an IBAN number. At the moment with Lithuania, it's only EU, European country that can have, okay? But all the other people who are not in EU, no problem. The Liechtenstein will be able to provide all that service for you, okay? You can do a SEPA transfer. This is an agreement between some European country so that you can send the money faster, quickly, and with lower fees as well within EU countries. You can have SWIFT international transfer, you can deposit, you can withdraw funds, and you see all these currency that you can have. And you will be able to have a MasterCard prepaid debit card. And this is getting very, very close. Now, it probably seems like we've been saying this is long time. It's because we tried to put this in your face to not put in your face, but try to bring it to your attention at the early stage when we're doing this. And it seems like it's a long wait, but trust me, things have been worked in the background really, really, really heavily. And then very soon we're going to have these cards in our possession. Okay. Security, it is part of international legal compliance for prevention of money laundering, etc., etc. And you have a global pass system which is integrated within our platform as well. So check for the KYC, etc. And there is always regular audits that are going through. This is why sometimes if you don't do your KYC, if you don't submit your application, your documents, your account might be blocked, because when we get audited, we cannot have some accounts that are not verified, okay? We cannot have some accounts. So your account will be restricted or will be blocked at some point until we have to activate it and upload the new documents, okay? Because we get audited all the time, okay, on regular basis. So for the comfort, you can have for any business model, this could be for any business to business client or business to customer clients, i.e. like MLM businesses, etc., or for customers to customer for yourself as individuals as well. And we are going to have mobile apps on iOS, on Android. We are doing things bit by bit, okay? This is going to be available soon as well. And also we have an expanding international team of customers and technical supports, okay? This is what you get on the platform and what the kind of other facility you get in the previous slide. All right, let's go to the next slide. Right, brilliant, here we go. Well done to the admin team and to Aiden for putting this together. You can see that it's a very nice table, guys, right? You agree that it's a very easy comparison. You can see now easily free, transparent, okay? Really free, transparent, where you can see our fees. The fees for the cards is clear. You know exactly what to expect and you can see in front of you. So next time when people ask you, you know, what are the fees when you get this card, etc., take a screenshot or whatever you do every Thursday, try to get this information or know this information or have it with you handy so you can share it and you can compare. You can give it to people when you're going to be selling the cards, okay? And this is all here. These are all the features that you get. You can see different types. You got virtual, we're gonna get standard, we're gonna get gold, and we're gonna get platinum, okay? And you can see different fees, one time off, okay? Like activation card fee plus DHL Express, and you can see what kind of capability you can have, okay? Take a screenshot, okay? All right, well done, guys. Well done to the team for putting this together. Okay, so let's go to the next slide. Right, now, with the Global UniPay, okay, we are targeting very different customers, okay? There are individual customers, but they're also business customers. But the most business that's going to bring the company a lot of volume is businesses customers, okay? Business customer, which means some companies have business and they have payment processors, they sell products or services, or MLM companies that want to facilitate the payment for their clients, for their customers, okay? These are the people who are going to bring a lot of volume. Now, just imagine if we get one client, one customers. If you think about it, our average database have more than 1.6 million members, okay? Just alone, that is one network. But if we have another network company that can use our platform, say, for example, we have overall, for all the customers that we have 1 million users. Going 1 million users, they pay their everyday expenses, they're putting through 1,000 through the system every single month, okay? This is just for illustration purposes. This can bring just a turnover. This is not an income, this is a turnover of about $1 billion every single month. Okay, $1 billion that can be generated every single, not a year, every single month. Okay, but now imagine the company Global UniPay will earn a commission from that volume that's going through. Okay, they will earn a commission from that. Imagine this is just the commission will vary, depends on the client, how big the client is, etc. But let's just take a simple figure of 1%. This 1% of $1 billion of volume. This is $10 million every single month, okay? And this could be just with just one client, okay? This could be with just one client. This is going to, and then for the news that I promised to share with you, it's gonna be related to this, okay? And it's going to be exciting for you. I know some of you already have started to inquire, have started to ask us the possibility. And this will be an exciting stuff for you, really exciting stuff for you, okay? The potential It's crazy, okay? It's crazy. Now, 1%, $10 million. And this $10 million is a revenue, is an income for the Global UniPay. Now, what do we do? Because we are part of the global portfolio, this Global UniPay as an individual company, then we have to share the revenue into the pot of the Global UniPay as dividends. So they will pay a portion after all the expenses, everything with running a business cost, and then they put the profits to be shared as dividend in the global portfolio. So as a member, as a co-owner of the global portfolio, whether you're using the card, whether you are verified or not, whether you're using this payment process or not, it doesn't matter. You will benefit automatically for this. That's why I always say don't despair. You can still benefit indirectly. You don't have to own the card. You don't have to be verified in order to be successful, in order to receive an income. So this is really exciting, because this is really what I call a passive income, because you did not have to do anything for it. You did not have to do anything for it. Yes, this is really exciting. All right, and I'm just giving you just the minimum. Okay, this is just the minimum. But I can tell you, this company, we have a goal. Last time we have a goal. People say that if you don't set the goals that scares you, it's not a good goal. Okay, we have a goal in 5 years' time, 5 billion users. Do you think it's possible, guys? We have how many billion members we have? How many billion people we have in the world? But this payment processor, it can give us this opportunity. Especially, and what I'm going to share with you a little bit later, right? This is possible. This is a goal we set ourselves for 5 years, and we are going to hit it. We are going to achieve it, okay? The question is, you want to be on board, or you want to be just watching? If you are on the board, you will be helping also yourself, all right? This is one payment way. This is one type of income you will be able to receive from the Global UniPay. That's just number one. Now, let's go to the next slide. You can see I'm smiling already, because I love also this one, okay? I love also this type of income, what we call potential active income. Now, this is the income because we have a tool, we have card system, right? That will be available soon. And then you, as a partner, if you decided to do that, as a partner, you will be able to earn an income from the sales of the card. Now, the beauty with this, just put in the chat the beauty. Just let me know if you want to know the beauty of this. Just put the beauty. If you want to know the beauty of this, just put the beauty. There we go, Arish. I can see the beauty. Okay, super, guys. I'm excited, and I love your participation. Great. The beauty of this is that average compensation plan is going to be attached to this. Now, what does that mean? That means if you already have a team, once this card started to be rolled out and your team order the card, you're going to get paid. And how many times did you build that team? You build that team once. This is what I call leverage. You know, this is what I call leverage. And you do once, but you will be able to earn much more if you bring new team. And this is the card system. It will be so much easier to sell, because it is a card like many people need, individuals need to cash out. Okay. Now, especially with the crypto coming up, this will be another asset, another tool that you can have in your wallet, that you can go in a pub, in a bar, or whatever, and when you go to pay your bill, you swap that card, and people will be, and there will be really good design also, the cards. You've seen some images, and you swap it, people will be asking you, what type of card is that? And it will give you the time to tell your story. And what is the story? The story will be, this, by the way, I'm a co-owner in these cards as well. And then I can show you also how you can become a co-owner for this card. And you can earn using this card as well, right? Wonderful, right? It's a good story to tell. No one can say no because you show them the money, right? You're telling them the money. You're not telling your story how wonderful you are. No, you're showing them how they can earn. You put it on them. All right. Now, let's just give you an image, and I would like us to jump to the consultant bit because that's what I'm always excited about. If you put the slide, many of our panels already know agent to get qualified as agent, how it is. This is an easy bit. If you go to the next slide, now imagine as a consultant, and then you want to build your team, okay? Or you're already a consultant, okay? Start to put name down on your first level, second level. Start to talk to them because this is an opportunity. Remember, guys, the same time, remember, I don't know how many of you are on the call who remember 2019 when we started to discover about the crypto unit program, okay? What did we do? We started to tell our people what's coming. We started to coach, our team was coming. We didn't have to build to earn a lot of money. And I can tell you, many of the people who have built the team, they have earned a lot of money in that 1 year than they earned in the previous 2-3 years. Okay, that's how powerful it is with the building a network. You build a network once, and that's why I love this MLCI idea. You don't have these targets you have to meet every single month. You have to requalify all this nonsense that you have to build. You have to meet this volume. We don't have that here. Yeah, we don't have that here. You build a team once, all this business that's going to be around in our ecosystem, you benefit directly without having to build a new team. This is wonderful. This is what most of people don't really appreciate, but it's really, really powerful, right? Imagine if you are a consultant and you encourage your team that you have in a place, or you are a leader manager, you are a manager, you are a top manager, wherever you are, you know what career level you are. Yeah, start to put names down, start to identify, start to promote this, start to invite people to this presentation, and show the possibility what is possible with this payment processor, because it's huge, guys. It's really huge. Okay, I'm not just saying this to excite you, to pump you up, but this is huge. It just sells itself. That's right. Yeah. Now imagine you are a consultant and you have a team. Let's imagine you do 5 by 5. Okay, let's go to the next slide. You do 5 by 5, and you encourage people to go for the platinum card. Now, why the platinum card? This is what I'm gonna do personally. I'm not advising you to do it. So you do your own numbers, and you can see what is potential. The reason why the platinum, it gives you a lot of limitless, like on cash withdrawal, transfer, the amount that you can top up, the daily withdrawal is a lot. Okay, this is the beauty. Now, if you are someone who's aiming to earn more, right, this is going to be the card for you. And when you meet people, when you meet millionaires, when you meet other people in outside to recruit them, this is the card that you should show them. Not only that it's going to be sexy looking, feel, all right, but it's going to be a way for them to cash out quickly and to spend a big amount outside. Right? You can purchase a car with that card. You can purchase a Lambo with that card, because the amount of limit, you will be car to purchase a Lambo, any car of your dream, pat on a card. That is very powerful, right? That is very, very powerful. Now, let's think about the income you can generate with your current team. If you build a new team, is even better. But I just want you to start to think of the current team you have, to start to talk to them. Because if you have the structure like this, because I know many of the people here in our average ecosystem, they have more than this. So you build 5 by 5. So the 5 people, you earn 200. So it doesn't seem like it's too much. The second level, 175. And because of the percentage you earn, and the third level, blah, blah, blah. And then when you get to the 6th level, and with the average compensation plan, from the time you get consultant level down, you started to earn to infinity level. Yes, your percentage will be smaller according to how many other consultants you have in your organization, but it will go deeper to the infinity. the income will be mind-blowing when you go down on a paper. And I will encourage you guys, the same way you set your goals and you write on your dream board, etc. Write it down on a piece of paper, the numbers, the people that you have. Put the circles and put names to it. You will be surprised how the universe will put that in place for you, right? You put a circle, put a name with a 500 card, okay? Just if you stay as a consultant, we know, right? There is no way you can stay just as a consultant here. When you build like this, the system promotes you. This is why I love the difference between with other jobs. With jobs, you have to, you have to beg someone, or you have to stab somebody else on the back in order for you to go up. With this one, the system will promote you. It could be at night time when you sleep. The system will promote you. As long as you meet the criteria, bam, your career level is up. And then your pay is increased as well. Your percentage you earn increase as well, okay? But if you stay as a consultant, just to keep the numbers simple, because we can do different variation and you can see, but this is your homework for you to do, and it will be easier for you to do it. And you can see, you can visualize, you can put it on a paper, and then you will be surprised how much that will become a reality. Okay, but if you stay just as a consultant and this like that, it's 219,000, over 290,000 euro you can earn this. How many of you would like to earn this amount? And with a tool that sells itself, and with a compensation plan that you already have in place, you don't have to re-register again. You don't have to build a new team again, right? Well, you don't have to, but if you do, it's better because we want to grow the network. Okay? Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. Good stuff. So guys, start to invite. I always see like every Thursday, right? I see 40 people. Well done, well done, well done. The numbers are increasing. 40 people in the English room. I don't know how many are there in the other rooms, but the audience is increasing. And this is good because we want to, I can see that many people are complaining there is not much to sell, there is no any other thing, and I understand there is so many confusion, but I can tell you, start to get excited with the global UniPay, guys. Start to get excited because good things are coming here, and it will be easy. It will be a tool that will sell itself. It's a tool that will sell itself. Now you can see I'm just relaxed back because the next thing I'm going to tell you, you're gonna get excited. But I want to see some excitement before I even share that with you. Okay, is this 5:30 a.m. Wow, well done, well done, well done, well done. It's definitely well worth it. You haven't even heard the best yet. You haven't heard the best yet. You haven't heard the best yet. Now, if we move to the next slide. Now, the next slide, do you say, goodbye, thank you, but I've got some goodies to tell you. I've got some information to tell you, all right? I'm not going to say thank you very much for your attention. No, I've got something interesting, but I want you to show me some excitement in the chat. Show me some excitement in chat already. Show me some excitement in chat. Hey, love that, love that, love that. Super, super, super. There we go. That's what I love about our community, guys. You give me the energy, and that's why I'm become energetic like that. Okay, super, great stuff. So, I know they just want me to hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, give it to us. Okay, now, before I just share it, I just want you to imagine. I want to take you on a journey, okay? I want to take you on a journey. Imagine, just imagine if you was, if, I'm just gonna give you a scenario, right? If I give you two options, and then you can earn $1 million today. You can earn $1 million today, or you can earn $1 million. You work hard, and I'm gonna pay you $1 million, but you're gonna really work hard. You don't even know you're gonna survive. Or I can tell you, right? You can just earn just 1%, but you can leverage it. Yeah, that 1% you can earn it multiple times to infinity to your own effort. Which one would you take? 1%, if I say 1%, 1% of the, not that 1 million, 1% of 10,000, for example, or 1% of or 0.1% of 10 million. And it can vary, right? It will vary according to the bigger volume, it will vary. But the amount you will earn will be more. Okay, I can see we've got many smart people here. We have a lot of smart people here. Say 1%. Okay, because it is better. I rather earn, like Paul Getty said, I rather earn 1% of 100 people's effort rather than earning 100% of my own efforts, which is really so true, because this is what gives you financial freedom, the time freedom. Now, we are going to offer. This is, remember, with the global UniPay, I've already shared how many income stream I've already shared. How many income stream I've already shared already, that you will be able to tap into. One is passive, another one is active. I've already told you to. I'm not very good with passive, right? So 2 income stream already. Now, what if I tell you that we're gonna have another 3rd income stream opportunity? And this income stream opportunity is going to be fire. But this is going to be an income stream opportunity for people who want to take it to the next level. Okay? People who really want to be professional, who want to be wearing the brand of Global UniPay with pride. Okay? Like it is yours. Yeah? How many of you will be here? If you want to take this 3rd income stream, if you want to take it to the next level, not just be the sellers of card. The sellers of card will be good money. But what if I can tell you that you can tap into a volume of a company, right? A volume of a company. And then you will earn a percentage. And this is what I call residual income. Residual income, right? So we're going to offer an opportunity. We're going to have Global UniPay agents, okay? A Global UniPay agent. And this Global UniPay agent, we have to go through training, because you do understand, if you're going to speak to businesses, you will need to be professional. You will need to be professionally, with a professional approach. You know, this is not somewhere you can go and say, oh, our payment processes are best, you can earn million. No. We onboarding the business client. You will take the ownership of onboarding the business client, the ownership of supporting those business clients, okay? And in return, you will have a cut. Just I want you to imagine the possibility you will be able to have. Imagine it's pretty much like you're networking at the moment with individuals, but networking with businesses. Now you become a professional to another level, okay? To another level, okay? And we're going to provide you a training for that, to become a professional. Who is excited and who will be in? And don't just say you're in if you're not in, all right? Because once you're in, you need to be really full on in. Okay, good stuff. I can see. Great. So Aiden is preparing like a survey. We're going to put it out there, a form. And we want to see people who are committed, who are really wanted to take to the next level. And by the way, you can be this person who will be the agent, and you can tap into the other income as well. So you can have the 3 income into 1. So basically our Global UniPay system is a payment processor, but it is also a multiple stream of income system. How's that sound? It's a multiple stream income system for the individual who want to tap into it, right? And for the business, this is a system, is a multi-currency, it's a fiat currency system, cryptocurrency system, and it is a precious metal system. You got 3 into 1 system for the business. Very attractive. Once you start to understand how you can pitch it to businesses, you will start to go through the brick wall to get it, because this is what I call residual income. Because residual income, we have residual bills, okay? all of us, we have residual bills, really. If you live on this earth, if you don't live in a jungle by yourself where you I don't know, if you are into the connection to the system, you have residual bills. And how many of you had these residual bills? Because even if you're sick, you have to pay those residual bills. If you go on a holiday, you have to pay those residual bills. So to combat those residual bills, you need a residual income. And our platform will provide you residual income opportunity. But you have to be serious. You have to be a professional, and you need to learn to be a professional. And the good thing, this is coming, okay? We don't have a set date yet. I just want you to start to feel it, to start to get ready for it, okay? Because this system is not a job. This system, we are planning to go global, okay? We're trying to go global, but we provide also opportunity, a global opportunity for our partners, a global opportunity for the agent. The agent, not everybody can become an agent. You're gonna have to start, you're gonna have to pass a test, you will get a certificate, but once you have those, you will be an agent, and you will have a right to onboard, to acquire a business customer, and that business customer, you will look after them, but you will earn a percentage from the volume they bring. That is powerful residual income, guys. That is powerful residual income. Okay? I want to see some excitement, right? You are so quiet. I want to see some excitement here. I want to see some excitement. And stay tuned, because this was a really good surprise for the people who attended this call. Because the people who are not attending to this call, they don't know that yet. And for the people who are in MSCI Pro, I have another good surprise for you. So tomorrow, just wait for it. And I have another good surprise that's going to also surprise you. Okay? Now, if I ask you a question, just a really serious question. You have an opportunity to bring a business. You have like the right. It's like a franchise, really. You're like a franchisee, and then you look after your customer, and then you earn a percentage of that volume. So how much money would you pay to have that type of opportunity, to be able to have that type of opportunity? Because there's going to be a license fee, okay? There's going to be a license fee, but it's not going to be huge. It's going to be a license fee for the person, for the commitment of the person, but for the money you're gonna earn, the license fee will be like peanuts, really, a drop in the ocean. How much money would you put on that license fee? A year license fee. And this is still in discussion, by the way. But I just want to see what you guys think of that opportunity, what you can put on it. Okay, I see Harish put 500. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. What are others? Ian, $1,000. Wow. Okay. Who else want to guess? $500. Who else? Just want to see. I just want to see. Again, in other languages as well, please, the interpreters, please just put what the other languages say. 400, 500. So it's been ranging between 100, 200 to 1,050 Russian. I don't know. Oh, okay, how many? $100 in India. Can it be free? 3,000. No, I just wonder, look, imagine you're getting an opportunity. You know how much money to get McDonald's franchise? Do you know how much money you have to pay to get McDonald's franchise? Who would like to guess? To get a McDonald's franchise, how much you have to pay upfront? 2 million. Well, I can only say in the UK. In the UK, you put about £500,000 to get one McDonald's franchise, okay? But you're getting a system. So with us, with Global Unipay, you will get a system. You have training, and then you have a system you can follow to talk to the client, to talk to the business customers. But we're not going to be anywhere near, but 5,000 or 500,000. It's not going to be that, but it's going to be very affordable, guys. It's below the numbers. It's in below the numbers you guys are suggesting. So which is great, and I'm glad to see that you put those numbers, but it's going to be below that. For us, it's not really to make money with that license fee. That license fee will be a commitment to see that you are serious, and also it's a professional, it's a professional way you're gonna get a certificate, etc. Is to, you know, it's just for that running cost of that. That's all. Okay, but we want professional people, professional trained to do that. Guys, I hope you are excited, because I am, and very soon, just stay tuned every week. Okay, we're gonna be sharing more information about that, and we will want to people who are serious, people who are really serious. And I hope you're excited. And if you are in MRCI Pro tomorrow, looking forward to it. And we've got more good news for you guys on behalf of Global UniPay. So we're gonna share some really good news that we're gonna offer for you guys. All right. Okay. I hope you have a great day. I hope you enjoyed the presentation. I hope you enjoyed the good news, the opportunity, and I hope you're going to take advantage of that. So about others, this is what I discussed today. So you're going to have opportunity. You're going to have opportunity to become an agent. Anyone can, okay? It's not the people who only in MRCI Pro. It's anyone who get MRCI Pro members, they will get something extra on top. And it's just to show their commitment. They have invested in themselves, they have invested in the course, so it's for them. But I will share with them tomorrow or during the course, during my part. Okay, guys? I hope you enjoyed the day and have a great day, and I'll speak to you soon. Peace. Forward.